Have you ever whispered, Ya Allah, this is too much. I can't handle it anymore. This powerful Quranic dua was made for exactly that moment. Our Lord, do not burden us with more than we can bear. Pardon us, forgive us, and have mercy on us. Life gets heavy. Sometimes you're carrying pain, stress, or loss that no one sees. But Allah sees, and He gives you these words. Our Lord, don't place a burden on us we cannot bear. It's a direct cry for mercy, and Allah responds with love. Then it continues. Pardon us, forgive us, and have mercy on us. 3 layers of divine love. Pardon, erase the blame. Forgive, erase the sin. Have mercy, bring peace and healing. This dua reminds us, it's okay to be weak, as long as you're turning to the one who is always strong. Comment, Ya Allah, make it easy, if your heart is heavy today. Share this with someone going through a silent battle. Follow for more Quranic duas that hold your hand through hardship.